Liverpool, a city that never sleeps, holds secrets of the night that are yet to be discovered. Nestled in the heart of England, Liverpool is an urban gem, a city steeped in rich history, vibrant culture, and a nightlife that hums with excitement and mystery. From its roots as a humble maritime city, Liverpool has grown, evolved, and transformed over the centuries. It's a city that has seen it all, from the rise of the British Empire to the birth of the Beatles. This history is etched into every cobblestone, woven into the fabric of the city, and is palpable in the air that you breathe. But the city of Liverpool is not just about its history. It's a city that thrives in the present. A city that pulses with life when the sun goes down. As the day transitions into night, the cityscape changes. The streets, once bustling with the hustle of the daily grind, become a stage where a different kind of drama unfolds. The nightlife in Liverpool is a world of its own. It's a symphony of lights, music, and energy. It's a time when the city truly comes alive, when the ordinary becomes extraordinary. From the pulsating beats that echo from hidden nightclubs to the tantalizing aromas wafting from late-night eateries, Liverpool's nightlife is an experience that stirs the senses and feeds the soul. Yet, there's more to Liverpool's nightlife than meets the eye. It's not just about the places you can visit or the things you can do, it's about the people you meet, the stories you hear, and the memories you make. It's about the feeling of being alive, of being part of something bigger than yourself, and of experiencing the vibrant pulse of a city that never sleeps. As we delve deeper into the enigma that is Liverpool's nightlife, we'll peel back the layers, revealing the heart and soul of a city that thrives under the cloak of darkness. So as dusk approaches, the city transforms, revealing a side of Liverpool you might not have expected. The night is young, the city is alive, and the adventure is just beginning. When the sun sets, the rhythm of Liverpool comes alive. Liverpool, a city renowned for its vibrant music scene, has been setting the beat since the swinging 60s. It's the birthplace of the famed Beatles, the iconic band that changed the landscape of music forever. And it's not just about the Fab Four. Liverpool's musical heritage is as diverse as it is rich, boasting a lineage of musicians who've left their mark on various genres, from pop to punk, rock to rhythm and blues. As night falls, echoes of this storied past reverberate through the city's streets. From the legendary Cavern Club, where the Beatles honed their craft, to the modern-day Baltic Triangle brimming with cutting-edge music venues, Liverpool's nightlife is a testament to its rhythmic roots. These venues, each with its unique charm and atmosphere, are the city's beating heart, pulsating with life and music. The city's music scene isn't just about reliving the past, it's also about celebrating the present and shaping the future. On any given night, you can catch live performances from rising stars, seasoned veterans, and everyone in between. These artists, drawn from all corners of the globe, bring their unique sounds and styles, adding to the city's already rich musical tapestry. Whether it's an intimate acoustic set at a cozy pub, a high-energy rock concert at a packed club, or a soulful jazz session at a sophisticated lounge, there's something for every musical taste. And let's not forget the city's music festivals. From the annual Sound City, a showcase of the best in new music, to the Liverpool International Music Festival celebrating the city's diverse cultural influences, these events are a testament to Liverpool's status as a UNESCO City of Music. They are a testament to the city's enduring love for music, its unwavering commitment to nurturing talent, and its determination to keep the rhythm alive. Music pulses through the veins of Liverpool, a symphony of the city's electric nightlife. Beyond the music, Liverpool's nightlife offers an array of experiences in its pubs and bars. Venture into the heart of Liverpool, and you'll find a city bursting with a diverse range of watering holes. From the traditional English pubs that hark back to a bygone era, to the sleek modern cocktail bars that exude a cosmopolitan vibe, there's something for every palate and preference. Imagine stepping into a classic pub, like the Philharmonic dining rooms, where the charm of yesteryears is preserved in its ornate Victorian architecture. Here, the clinking of pint glasses mingles with the jovial banter of locals, creating a symphony of sounds that's as intoxicating as the ales on tap. On the other hand, if it's a taste of the contemporary you're after, venues like the Alchemist beckon. Amidst the glimmer of its avant-garde interiors, mixologists conjure up cocktail creations that are as much a feast for the eyes as they are for the taste buds. It's a place where the art of drink making is taken to new heights, and every sip is an exploration of flavor and flair. But Liverpool's nightlife isn't just about the old or the new, it's also about the unique and unexpected. Take for instance Berry and Rye, a hidden gem tucked away behind an unassuming door. Inside, the dimly lit space is reminiscent of a Prohibition-era speakeasy, offering a cocktail menu that's as secretive as its location. It's an adventure waiting to unfold, one drink at a time. Then there's the Baltic Fleet, steeped in maritime history and known for its own on-site brewery. It's a testament to Liverpool's rich heritage, a place where stories of the past are shared over pints of freshly brewed beer. From the traditional to the trendy, the historic to the hidden, Liverpool's pubs and bars offer a tapestry of experiences that reflect the city's vibrant spirit. Each establishment is a world unto itself, a microcosm of the city's diverse character. Each door in Liverpool leads to a new adventure, a new story waiting to be told. As the stars twinkle overhead, Liverpool's night markets come to life. A symphony of enticing aromas, vibrant colors, and the melodious hum of the crowd fills the air. It's an experience that tantalizes all the senses, a testament to Liverpool's culinary prowess. The city's night markets are a food lover's paradise, a bustling hub where gastronomy meets culture, teeming with a mouth-watering array of local and international delicacies. The night markets of Liverpool are like a gastronomic tour around the globe. From the succulent lamb skewers sizzling on the grill of a Middle Eastern stall, to the tantalizing aroma of a Spanish paella simmering away in a gigantic pan, the diversity is astounding. But amidst this international smorgasbord, the traditional English fare holds its own, with steaming Cornish pasties and hearty Yorkshire puddings vying for attention. And let's not forget Liverpool's own culinary contributions. The city is renowned for its scouse, a comforting stew that's as much a part of Liverpool as the Mersey itself. Savoring a bowl under the starlit sky is a quintessential Liverpool experience, and for those with a sweet tooth, the sticky toffee pudding, a classic British dessert, is an absolute must-try. But it's not just about the food. The night markets are also a social hub, a place where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the city's vibrant nightlife. The atmosphere is electric, a blend of camaraderie and excitement that's palpable. It's a place where you can strike up a conversation with a local vendor, learn about the city's rich history, or simply soak in the energy of the bustling crowd. The food scene at Liverpool's night markets is a reflection of the city itself, a melting pot of cultures and cuisines. It's a place where food, culture, and people intertwine, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. In Liverpool, every bite tells a story, a delicious part of the city's nocturnal charm. Liverpool's nightlife is not just about its music, pubs, or food, it's about something more. In the heart of Liverpool, there's an undeniable rhythm. It's an energy that pulses through the cobblestone streets, the neon-lit pubs, the bustling night markets, and the music-filled air. It's in every corner, every nook and cranny, every vibrant conversation, and every shared laugh. It's an atmosphere that's not just seen or heard, but felt. This rhythm, this energy, is the culmination of many things. It's the fusion of the city's lively music scene, the allure of its pubs and bars, the tantalizing aroma wafting from the night markets, and most importantly, the people. The people of Liverpool, with their warmth, their wit, and their love for life, are the heartbeat of this city. They're the ones who breathe life into the music, the ones who fill the pubs with laughter, the ones who create a vibrant tapestry of experiences under the starlit sky. Liverpool's nightlife isn't just a collection of isolated elements. It's a symphony, a beautifully harmonious blend of sights, sounds, tastes, and feelings. It's an experience that's more than the sum of its parts. It's a story, a journey, an adventure. But don't just take our word for it. Come and experience it for yourself. Get lost in the music, let the flavors of the night market tantalize your taste buds, share a pint and a laugh at a local pub, and immerse yourself in the unique rhythm of Liverpool's nightlife. Liverpool at night is an experience, a memory. It's a city that invites you in and leaves a lasting impression. Come, discover the secrets of Liverpool's nightlife.